Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the best gear, gadgets, and gizmos you can get your hands on. Today, we're looking at the best gig bag for your electric guitar, lightweight, rugged, stylish, and absolutely packed with features. This is the PPOPPO 39 to 40-inch electric guitar gig bag, and if you're a musician who's always on the move, this might just be your guitar's new best friend. Let's get straight to why this bag stands out in the crowded world of guitar accessories. First, let's talk fit and form. This gig bag is purpose-built to hold 39 to 40-inch electric guitars. It's a snug fit, with a soft interior lining that keeps your instrument safe from scratches and scuffs. Whether you're carrying a Strat-style guitar or something with a similar profile, this bag is going to wrap around it just right. You're not dealing with a sloppy oversized case or something too tight, you're getting a Goldilocks fit. Now onto protection, and here's where it really earns its stripes. It's crafted from tough Oxford fabric, known for its strength and durability. But the real hero here is the padding, 0.35 inches of it. That may not sound like much, but for a gig bag in this price range, that's significant. It's enough to absorb shocks from accidental drops or dings during your commute. Add in the waterproof coating, and your guitar is safe from surprise rain showers, spilled drinks at rehearsal, or the general chaos of travel. Oh, and there's a reinforced rubber base, too. So even when you rest it on rough or wet surfaces, your guitar doesn't suffer for it. Let's take a closer look at storage and organization. You get two main external pockets. One of them is transparent, which is a clever touch. It lets you quickly find what you need without digging around. Stash your picks, tuners, strings, patch cables, even a mini notebook or tablet. It keeps your essentials close at hand and neatly sorted. On the back, you'll find a loop that makes it easy to hang the bag on a wall or a stand. Perfect for tight spaces or studio use. Carrying comfort is another area where the PPOPPO bag shines. You've got padded, adjustable shoulder straps that distribute weight evenly. No more sore shoulders after a long walk to the train or through a venue. There's also a side handle if you're in a hurry or just want to grab and go. Zippers are smooth and two-way, and the stitching all around is reinforced. This bag is made for real-world use, not just for show. Design-wise, it keeps things sleek and professional. The all-black exterior is clean, with minimal branding. Whether you're a gigging pro, a music student heading to class, or a weekend hobbyist, this bag doesn't scream for attention. It just gets the job done with style. And let's not overlook one of the best parts, the value. You're getting pro-level features, thick padding, waterproofing, smart storage, reinforced base, all at a price point that's incredibly accessible. That's it for today's Gear Spotlight. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you never miss a deep dive on the best products out there. Drop your questions or your own experiences with the bag in the comments. We read everything and love hearing from fellow musicians. Until next time, keep your gear safe and your music loud. This is Product Critique, signing off.